I want to show how to exchange the base on an IP730 microscope. Before start removing the base, please make sure you're taking out the eyepieces and putting them aside, and also removing the head of the microscope and put it aside so they do not get damaged. Now, to remove the base, you will need to remove these 3 screws from the bottom. I already removed them, and there is another 4 screws right here. I'm gonna remove the last one and place it aside so they don't get lost. Once this panel is removed, carefully swing it aside, and before proceeding, I want to show you how the cables are connected, because you will need to disconnect them. You see there is a pair of blue cables and a brown cables, and from this power supply there is a blue cable connected to the same place where a blue cable, and a brown cable where a brown cable is. The third cable is the ground wire. It's connected right here on this side, and you will need the Allen wrench to remove this screw. Is actually 4 screws when this microscope is fully assembled, but again I removed additional screws so you don't have to watch me removing the screws. Alright, once these 2 parts are removed, you will need to unscrew 4 screws. Here, 1, 2, and there's 2 inside the legs in the front. 3 and 4. Alright, and this is your complete base. You don't really need to disconnect this ground wire, but if it's in a way, you can disconnect it and then connect it all back together. You connect it back all in the same order. You will place back the panel first and attach it with the screws. I'm only going to do a couple so I can show you the rest. So you go 1, 2, 3 edge to edge, and 4. And you can then bring the microscope upright, connect back the power supply panel with the Allen screw right here, and you need to hook up the ground wire. It doesn't matter which one, as long as it goes in one of the screws so it is attached.